How's everyone doing? New perfume review. It's a new day. You guys wearing what you sent of the day? I'm trying out, not trying out, I've worn this a ton, I featured it. Sarah Baker Parker Tartan. It's kind of when I don't know what to wear. I'm kind of shifting into not sampling so much. I know it doesn't seem like it because there's tons of videos being pushed forth, but I'm getting to go back to my bottles. But when I'm confused, don't know what to wear, I grab this. I don't know why. Why do I? I don't have answers to that. I'm Brandon, Therapeutic Fragrance. You are experiencing my fragrance journey, documented online for everyone to see. Me going through compositions to the best of my knowledge. I've learned a ton in a short time. Enjoyed it. I've been here from the beginning. Thank you so much. We talk like crazy offline. I appreciate it. You guys are helping educate me all the time, keeping me on my toes, or should I say my nose. Anyways, a different kind of perfume today. It's made for outer space. You heard of that one? Aromatom. I don't know. I'm not the best at pronunciation, but it's up there. Out of this world is the perfume. MB Parfums, if you guys are familiar with them, they're an all-natural perfumery. Behind this is not all natural. I don't think it never says it. I'm sure it's not. It doesn't smell like it. Stay tuned for an out-of-this-world review. Aromatom, out of this world, clear juice. People that do MB Parfumes, you can see the website up there, see what it's all about. It's $100, 50 ml, $2 an ml, not bad. Eau de Perfume, I'll split it 50-50. Oriental Floral is the family. Marina Barcenilla, been featured on the channel now quite a bit. The nose behind the perfume, launched in 2018. And notes are saffron, burning metal, rose, smoke, orange blossom, davana, guaiac, bitter almond, raspberry, and rum. Let's read this. Fragrance is a combination of what is known about planetary composition and astro-chemistry, from Earth-based and remote sensing observations, and the creativity and curiosity of the perfumer and space scientist behind it. Out of this world is the culmination of a journey from our moon to Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and finally the center of the Milky Way. What do you think of that? I asked for creativity. I don't think I asked for it out of this world creativity, but here we go. Out of this world creativity. She literally made a perfume for outside the earth. That's awesome. It's so awesome. It blows my mind how awesome it is. Somebody's actually thinking like this. She actually goes to schools and teaches kids with this perfume. It's a brilliant idea. Kids are learning about perfume, nose connections, sense connections, all about learning about outer space. Brilliant idea. I'm behind it. I'll push that all day long. I'm laughing because my brain hasn't even gone there yet. I'm just trying to push all this creativity and lack of use of ingredients here. And then she's already out of this earth creating perfumes. Kudos to you. Kudos. All right, let's review this. When I put this on, I had absolutely no background on the perfume. I had no clue. I don't even remember how I bought it or anything. I must have added it in one of my impulse buying sample days. I remember putting it on, and I smelled the mineral rock right away. I'm like, what is this stuff? It's a different smell. I'm like, how has not anyone talked about this smell? This is so unique. It's not bad. It's just it is a journey. It smells of limestone, rocks. Space. Okay, let's go there. She went there. Amazing. I don't know how I haven't heard of this. Pulling it out, I'm putting it on. I'm like, okay, I'm ready for this. So first thing I do, write my paragraph of notes, which we'll get into in the notes, and then look up as much info as I can. I already shared it on the top. Can't believe she's doing this. So cool. A perfume about outer space to teach kids about outer space through perfumery. Marina, just a genius idea. Kudos to you. Does it smell like outer space? I don't know. You don't know. Neil don't know. He had a mask on, breathing air. So I'll let my mind go there. It was easy. Let's say it does. Those would be fun. Like I said, opens, rocky, and metally, metallic. Stones and minerals kind of smell, laced with metallics through it. Like you crush the stones and get precious metals out of them. You're getting that smell off the top. As soon as I smelt that, I wrote that down, and then I was like, I gotta go find out what this is. This is crazy. Definitely doesn't smell natural. That's okay. It's super fun fragrance. I think all her other perfumes are. So this must have been an adventure for her to go down this road. There's a smoke in there. It's more like a smoldering smoke after the fire's out and you're barely getting fumes off of a dying out fire level of smoke, dense and soft smokiness to it that I'm picking up. Does saffron work on everything? It just comes off the top and provides an aromatic on these minerals and rocks and metals. And it's lovely. It's awesome. Like, how does it work with everything? It comes in and just provides that air note that takes off everything. I can smell the guaiac note in the background. It's yumminess to my nose. I know there's woods coming in. I'm all about that. You guys know that. One of the best fruits here, and I would picture this, is the one she used, raspberry, against these strong, just heavy rock smells, metal smells. Then you bring in this vibrant, it's such a strong note, raspberry perfumes. You Tuscan leather fans, if you smelled that, you know the top of that. It's just an overpowering note that you need something powerful to go with it, like leather, like rocks, like metals. Perfectly chosen here. It comes in the heart. It is not on the top for me at all. Comes in strong in the heart to just sweeten this fragrance and transform it to another universe. I would say the top was enhanced a bit by it, but I couldn't pull it out as raspberry and what it was doing until some of the stuff fades off the top and it really sweetens up into what is raspberry for sure. And then you realize what it was doing the whole time to the fragrance. Rose appears in mid of the heart, adding perfect textures to the fragrance, never overpowers. Now all of a sudden you're getting feminine qualities in this in the form of florals. Sure, there was a rose on the moon, who knows, but it works. I like the transition. I like the use. It needed something like this, perfect way to transition the heart, good wearing, good transformation. Dry down, gets super sweet in a good way. I love the way davana plays off of my skin. Chemistry, it adds just a flavor of not strong animalic, but kind of animalics to different notes like rose, like raspberry, that I'm starting to love the use of it. When I see it in fragrances, I'm like, how is this going to interact? Because it seems to enhance other notes for me than being its own note that I pull out. Every time I see it listed, it just gives like a soft animalic to florals especially. And in this case, fruits. I haven't noticed much other fruits, but many florals. It just seems to add that punch that I prefer in my florals. This is definitely the same raspberry ketone or whatever they use in Tuscan leather. It's same exact raspberry smell in that. And that's what you finish. It lasts the whole way through the dry down as the fragrance literally just really sweetens up and you're left with sweetness over the stone and the metals on the top. Big transformation. Top part, base, all here for an out of this world fragrance. Scoring on out of this world. Addictiveness, originality, 15 out of 15. I'm not going to knock that. It's the most original thing I've ever heard of. Projection sillage, 4 out of 5. Longevity, 3 out of 5. Composition as a whole, 22 out of 25. Ingredients priced at ml, 19 out of 25. Top gets an 8 out of 10. The heart gets a 3 out of 5. The base gets an 8 out of 10. Final score of 82. Share it. Actually own it. It's a special edition. I don't know if she's going to do more, but what a creative fragrance to have in your tool chest, in your collection. Where do I see this one being worn? Why, I wrote this like last week. Oh my goodness. Creative fragrance, or on the moon. When you go to the moon and wear it. When would you wear it? Come on. Preparing for space. Shuttle launch. That's when I'd wear this thing. Quit it, Brandon. Who do I see wearing this one? Boom, boom, boom. Come on. Neil Armstrong. Has to be Neil Armstrong. A true piece of American history. Welcome, Neil. How many sprays? 3 to 5. That's what I have. Out of this world fragrance, out of this world review. Help me push perfumery forward. Be on my journey. You guys are awesome. You guys be blessed too. Bye.